Let's go to Origins. Origins 2026, baby. I love this one. It's our second time here. Last year was their 50th anniversary and it was our first one. That wasn't even on purpose. That was super fun. This is one of my favorite conventions because I get to play a ton of games. We got here yesterday. I didn't do a video because it was kind of more just a travel day. But today is day one. We get to get into the convention hall early, or the exhibit hall early, because, you know, media, things like that. So we're gonna have a great day. I've already got to see some of my content creator friends and got to talk to some of you. It's been awesome. So it's gonna be a great day. Let's get to it. All right, so behind me there is a pretty long line to get into the, you know, exhibit hall slash pet play hall. This is due to there being metal detectors this year. A lot of people were upset about it, but I do want to make sure everybody knows this was not Origin's choice. They did not choose to have the metal detectors and make it harder to get in. This was the convention center who decided to do this, so they're doing it for every convention. But yeah, hopefully it moves fast, but there is a decently sized line to get in. Here at DBC Games. We're here with Jono. He showed me Inkwell last night at a media event. It looks incredible. This was like top 1-2 range, and like I want to check this out at Origins. Showed it to me. I'm super excited. They're giving me a review copy, so you can expect to see the videos here on the YouTubes, the Instagrams, all this stuff. So be sure to come back and check this out. You guys are going to be at Gen Con, correct?
Absolutely.
You know your booth number yet?
It's somewhere. It's not as memorable as 1812, so I can't remember it.
But find them at Gen Con. They're going to have Inkwell. They got a bunch of cool games coming out. Corvids is currently, you've got a restock coming, right?
Yeah, it's actually going to be at Gen Con.
Fantastic, because I know everybody's trying to pick up Corvids. So if you've been itching to get your hands on it, you can pick it up at Gen Con.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Alright, so we signed up for an event called Morton's List. This is essentially, you roll some dice to decide what you're doing, and you're just doing a wild event. So you're doing a quest. Our quest is that me and all of these people, we have to go to a spectacle, an event, some kind, if you want to call it an attraction, and just have fun. We may end up being the attraction, doing something ourselves. Right now, we're looking for what I have been described as a wizard witch lady with balloons that is wandering around the hall, so we're going to go hunt her down. That's our first option.
If you would like to participate in a battle game,
so we are trying to put together a giant battle. This man is literally running around with a bell announcing, please join our giant battle, and we're going to put on a huge, like, war spectacle. We're going to get as many people as we can. This man is out here putting in work for us. So we had a great time. It was the game was called Morton's List. They're at a lot of conventions. You can check them out. I'll put their socials and stuff inside of the description down below. I was not planning on joining a LARP, big action foam battle. Like, that is not something that was on my bingo card that I would be doing. But that's the fun of games like this. They like force you to do things that you normally wouldn't do, and it was a great time. And like our entire group, you could tell these people normally would not have been in this setting, but we were there and we had a great time. But now, after having a time we didn't expect to have, we're going to now go to a staple of Origins for lunch. The North Market. There's so many things there that everybody loves. I don't think anybody comes to Origins without going at least once, so we're gonna go get some food. Alright, day one, the exhibit hall is closed. We went and got in some cool games. We got to go play Dice Throne. We played 2 games. I won one, Scott won one. I know the game's been out for a long time. Plenty of you guys have probably played it, but this was my first opportunity, and I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Typically, skirmish style, back and forth games aren't my, thing that I gravitate towards, but this one was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed the card play, the dice play, the mitigation of everything. Really nice and enjoyable. But now it is, exhibit hall closed. We're going to go have a good time. My friends Ben and Corex from the All Year I Dream About Gaming Conventions podcast have a live recording here at Origins, and I'm going to go check it out and, support other creators and support my friends and, go have a great time. So that's where we're headed, and then after that, we're going to have a great rest of the night. Alright, day one is in the books. It is midnight or later, I don't even know, but we are tired, but we had a fantastic day. Origins doesn't disappoint. We went and, after, I don't know what the last thing you guys saw, I'll be honest, my brain is in a fuzz right now. But we went and went to Ben and Corex's podcast recording, which was super cool. We got to talk to friends, we got to have a good time. After that, we went and played Blood on the Clock Tower for the first time. Me and Scott have wanted to play this game for so long. We've been looking forward to it. We were excited. It didn't go well. It didn't go great. We had some negative circumstances and things happen inside of the game that weren't fantastic. I don't know if I want to say like, oh, the game facilitated those negative experiences versus maybe just the people in the circle. I would like to play again so that I can have maybe a fresh perspective, because I do want to play. It sounds like a great game. It sounds like something I would enjoy. But yeah, so unfortunately our Blood on the Clock Tower game didn't go the greatest. Hopefully the next one will. But I don't let things like that, poo-poo my experience. But yeah, after that, we went and met back up with a couple friends, at one of the hotel bars and hung out for a little bit, had a good time. We're now headed back to the hotel. We're going to pass out because we got a long day tomorrow too, but a good day. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I released some clips on like my TikToks and Instagrams and all that stuff saying that I do have a brand new merch store. So if you guys want to pick up some Travel the Board merch, check out bucket hats, shirts, the whole 9 yards. It should be linked below or on my YouTube channel page. Go check it out. 25% off everything for the first 2 weeks. I really appreciate all the support you guys have given me. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, all that stuff. For those of you who couldn't be here at Origins, hopefully these vlogs are allowing you to kind of enjoy the experience when you're not here. But thank you guys for watching. We're gonna have another great day tomorrow. See ya.